exhaust shop for the 79. MC. See y'all what the muffler's gonna be right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Spintech. Yes, sir. That's what we finna go get put on now. It'll be done tomorrow. We're gonna do a drop off. We're gonna pick it up tomorrow. Set y'all down for a second. Spintech 6000. 2.5. I ain't realized how big 2.5 is in person. That's a big pipe. I might just run 2 1/4 on mine. Yes, sir. We coming through though. We finna head out. Y'all stay tuned, and I'll come back when I'm getting there, dropping it off. And the next time y'all see it, it'll have a full dual exhaust on it with the Spintech 6000 and the mufflers. Yeah, and then we're gonna put her on the street, see how she do. Gotta do a little bit more brake work to it though, cause the brake's almost not even there. It barely stops the car, the pedal go all the way to the floor. So we're gonna go ahead and put a new booster and a master cylinder on it. Do a full brake job, new calipers, new brakes, new rotors, new lines. I'm sure everything on that car original from 79, so we're gonna just replace everything. Hopefully the brake lines are not clogged up or bad, so I ain't gotta replace them. And the fluid's still coming through it, but we'll see. If not, we just gotta do what we gotta do. So y'all just stay safe, stay tuned in, and we'll be back with more to come, man. Y'all make sure y'all tune in, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out my page, check out the bills. Got a short bed coming to the channel pretty soon. I gotta do the motor on it. Gotta bust it down. It's on the back of the truck right here. You can see right there under that tarp. So we're gonna get it bust down. Back to pick it up. Y'all stay tuned. Alright. Boy, there's some gnats up here. Alright, man, we done made it up here to the exhaust spot. Told y'all, man, she up on the rack right now. She gonna get that work first thing in the morning. I got the exhaust in right here. Like I say, Spintech 6000, 79 MC, 5.3. 4-speed, 700R transmission. Got a drop-in truck cam in it. Sound pretty good. We're gonna get a better exhaust sound tomorrow. What she gonna be like. But yeah, she here. She'll thin the flow. Sure y'all can see that in now. Yeah. Just stay tuned, man. This is just a drop-off clip. We finna load the trailer back up and get to the house, and we just gonna wait on that call to say she ready. He already know how we want it ran. We don't left the instructions, so y'all just stay tuned. We'll be back. All right. What up, man? We back. Got the Malibu back from the exhaust shop. She got the 2.5 Spintech 6000s on her. sir.